Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back with another video, and we're gonna be doing a little unboxing and impressions of this. Now I know a lot of you have heard of this Fire TV stick, but this is the one with Alexa voice remote. Like I said, I know a lot of you have heard of it. Thought I'd make a video about it so I can bring you guys back to memory. You guys can remember what this is. So let's see in case you guys don't know what this is. You basically just connect the HDMI to the back of your TV, and then what you do is, you basically just connect it in the back of your TV, and you can basically watch what you see up here. ESPN Watch, Showtime, Amazon, you even play games. Crossy Road, HBO Now, Hill Climbing, Pandora, Netflix, Disney Junior, Amazon Music, and much more. And as you can see, it has included the Alexa remote, as you can see here. Now this was about $40 at my local Best Buy. It wasn't too expensive, but it's kind of in between. I wouldn't say it's expensive, because for what you get here, it's a pretty good price, guys. Definitely recommend picking it up. I'll leave the link in the description to this guy down below, so you guys can check it out. You guys can buy it at Amazon, wherever they sell this, our local tech store, wherever, like Best Buy, Walmart, stuff like that. Alright, so let me open this package. So as you can see, it has like little arrows. You kind of just lift this plastic up like so, and then you pull, and it's pretty simple. You just remove this like that. You can see we got two little tabs here. Let me just zoom out for you guys a little bit. Alright, so you can see it has another little pull tab inside. So pull that out. So you pull that out. Put this to the side. Alright, so this is what we got right here. Just another black box, another box. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just remove this like so, and you're presented with this nice, kind of like foldable book style package. So what do we have first here? So we have kind of like the manual, basically telling you how to plug it in and set it up, as you can see here. Pretty simple. I think this is pretty straightforward. I think a lot of you guys know how to do this. So let's put this to the side. Next, we get kind of like an introduction, kind of like what you can watch, kind of the programs that it supports. As you can see, Amazon, iHeartRadio, Stars, a lot of those programs. Put that to the side. And what we get in here, in the cubby, whatever it is, we get the micro USB, USB to micro USB. Alright. And then we get another tiny box here. Oh, this is the adapter. You can see, to connect this to your HDMI, to your TV, and then you put your Fire Stick in here, and there you go. Alright, let's see what else we get. As you can see in here, is the brick, the power brick type stuff. You can see, your 12-volt basic adapter. Put that to the side, and then what else do you get? And you get the remote. Let me take this out of the package for you guys, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I took the plastic wrapping off. I know you guys love this sound. It's there you go. Doing that little plastic little label off of it. As you can see, we're presented with this nice high quality. I'm pretty surprised on how well this is made, put together. I mean, pretty solid, guys. And that's not all you get. You also get some AAA batteries, some Amazon Basics, of course. What else are you gonna get? And then here, of course, we have, not least, we get the Fire Stick, of course. You can see with this nice packaging. Let me take this out of the package, guys. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Took it out of the plastic wrapping. As you can see, it says Amazon in this little nice glossy finish. Everything else is a matte finish. This is where you connect your micro USB. In the back, it just says HDMI on it. Obviously, the front has the HDMI. So this is all you get in the box. You get the USB to micro USB. You get the wall adapter, the remote, the voice remote. Don't forget, guys, this is the voice remote. So you can actually speak into it with Alexa integrated in it. So it's pretty nice. And your AAA batteries. your Amazon Basics AAA batteries, and your adapter here. So in case you guys don't know what this is, what you basically do, I guess you just stick this in through here. You can see this HDMI in here. Pretty simple, guys. Nothing too crazy. Just connect it in like. So you're just gonna hear a little snap. There you go. You connect this part to your TV. I actually don't know why you would need this. Actually, I actually think you don't really need this. I mean, I think this is just like an extension. Let's say you want it to like not be too short. You know, you want it. I really don't know, guys, but it's there, so it can help you out. Let me just take this out. I'll be back once I take this out, guys. Alright, guys, I've taken it out. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much wraps up this video. Do I recommend getting this? Definitely. Thumbs up. Definitely recommend getting this. I'll leave the link in the description box below from Best Buy. I'm gonna leave the Best Buy link down below because that's where I got it from. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And no, this video is not sponsored, just in case you guys were wondering. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thought I would do a little video on the Fire Stick, which like I said, I think a lot of you have heard of it by now. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, it really helps me a bunch, and comment down below what you guys would like me to do in the future. What kind of videos you guys would like me to do in the future? Because I mean, I really want you guys' feedback. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video, and peace.